Hello and welcome to the Birdman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro and it's time for player transfer window. Now, San Miguel Birdman are planning to targeting a veteran player so that we can boost on the SMB roster for next season. Veteran number one, Warren Ibanez. He's a former PBA player and he's now currently on a lower division team, the Judiciary Matches of the UNTB League. If he can play here on San Miguel Birdman with Warren Ibanez, that will be serve as a backup point guard of Alex Cabangot. Yes, you're right, the backup, because Warren Ibanez needs to mentor Alex Cabangot on how on the guard can make a valuable and what will make a better shooting from beyond the arc. So if Warren Ibanez could join SMB, that will be very impressive roster that we will be seeing next season. The veteran number two is Ariel Capus. Ariel Capus was a forward also from Judiciary Badges, former PBA player playing with Alaska. Now, SMB wants to sign Ariel Capus. If he signed for the next season's PBA, it will be a additional roster for him, and he will serve as backup for Junmar Fajardo or Arwin Santos as well, because he can score 3-point shots and even he can score some short range passes, even shooting as well. So perfect for him, perfect for SMB roster. That's Ariel Capus. And the final roster will be, it will be a better and very ironic player that I have ever seen. And his name is Eric De La Cuesta. Eric De La Cuesta is a former PBA player. Now he can make it in the PBA since 2010. He is on early retirement, but now he's back and he's a veteran three-pointer as well. He can shoot more long ranges, whatever he wants. And if San Miguel joins Eric De La Cuesta, he will serve as a backup three-pointer of Marshall Lassiter. So it will be perfect for him for the roster as well. What do you think on the three veterans could probably join on the SMB roster for next season? Tell us in the comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/TheBirdmanFanTV. Follow us on both Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at the Birdman Fan TV and TBFTV official. Andrew Alvaroy, and we'll see you in the next video. Inshallah. Bye.